Hello, this is Ahmad Qureshi and you are watching Kaam Ki Baatein. In the light of current global warming and climate change scenario, which is hot news these days, literally hot. So I have compiled a few pictures of global leaders and celebrities who are planting trees. Although the commitment of global elite is quite dubious regarding global warming, but I tried to show or motivate people that if your leaders are planting trees, so should you. If you like the video, please share with your friends and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.